Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore three powerful text functions in Excel: upper, lower, and proper. These functions allow you to change the case of text within your spreadsheet, making them incredibly useful for standardizing data, correcting formatting errors, and improving the readability of your worksheets. Let's dive in. Understanding the syntax of the upper, lower, and proper functions. Here's what each function does. Upper converts all letters in a text string to uppercase. This is useful when you need to standardize text to capital letters. Lower converts all letters in a text string to lowercase. This function is handy when you need to convert text to all lowercase letters for consistency. Proper capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string while converting all other letters to lowercase. It's particularly useful for formatting names or titles properly. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of customer names in various formats, and you want to convert all names to uppercase for standardization. Enter the customer names in cells A1 to A5. You will notice the names are formatted inconsistently, with some in lowercase, some in uppercase, and some in mixed case. In cell B1, enter the formula equals upper A1 to convert the text in cell A1 to uppercase. Press Enter, and Excel will return John James, converting the text in cell A1 to uppercase letters. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will convert all names in column A to uppercase letters in column B. Now let's consider a scenario where you want to convert all text to lowercase. This is useful when you need to format data consistently in lowercase letters. Enter the product names in cells A1 to A5. The product names are formatted inconsistently and with a mix of uppercase and mixed case letters. In cell B1, enter the formula equals lower A1 to convert the text in cell A1 to lowercase. Press Enter, and Excel will return widget A, converting the text in cell A1 to all lowercase letters. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will convert all product names in column A to lowercase letters in column B. Let's consider a different scenario where you have a list of employee names and you want to format each name with the first letter capitalized. Enter the employee names in cells A1 to A5. The names are formatted inconsistently, with some in uppercase and some in lowercase. In cell B1, enter the formula equals proper A1 to convert the text in cell A1 to proper case, with each word's first letter capitalized. Press Enter, and Excel will return John James, converting the text in cell A1 to proper case. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will format all names in column A with the first letter of each word capitalized in column B. These functions are incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data standardization. Use upper or lower to ensure consistent text formatting across large data sets, such as customer names, product codes, or inventory items. Data cleaning. Apply the proper function to clean up and properly format text data, such as names, addresses, or titles. Reporting. Improve the readability and presentation of reports by standardizing text cases.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.